Exhibition hockey isn't about points. It's about pride.
That should mean some fast, hard-hitting action between the Buffalo Sabres and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Pouliot gets the loose puck. Rips one. McDonough with it now. Miller pushes Ocalso. Miller grabs the puck. Ocalso. Pouliot gets pushed. McDonough takes control of the puck. Up through center. Bellier gets the loose puck. AINHL. Backhand from the left. Blocked. Moved ahead. Passed ahead. Callahan jumps on the loose puck. Killorn. He dumps it in. Bogosian has it. Kala gets shoved. Shot the puck. Kunitz hits the post. Pominville gets nailed. Ford won the faceoff. Advances the puck. Centers it. For the wrist shot. Leg save.
Jim, I never get tired of seeing stops like that.
Moved ahead. Reinhardt. Wrist shot. Saved by Vasilevsky. Jurgensen. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it. Fires in. Vasilevsky closed the door. Hackett. Tampa dumps the puck in. Buffalo gets a hold of it. Hackett gets hammered. Johnson with the puck. Callahan fires. Leonard stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Leonard freezes the puck. Bellier. Pouliot has it. Buffalo now with it. O'Reilly. Ristolainen corrals it. He gets a hold of it. Kala. Girardi picked it up. Brings it out. Passed ahead. Bellier gets pushed. Advances the puck. Breakaway. Scandala. Quick pass up. Vasilevsky stabs at it. Moved ahead. Pominville takes possession of the puck. Short pass. Bogosian finds the loose puck. The Sabres dump it. Tampa scooped it up. Pouliot runs over Sergachev. Taylor Johnson grabs the puck with a wrist shot. Leonard gets a leg on it.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Moved up. Pouliot controls the puck. The Sabres dump it in. Johnson picks it up. McDonough. McCabe grabbed it. Dolan. Line two. Jurgensen's now with it. He dumps it in on the end boards.
Line one, you're out.
Larson advances the puck. Over the blue line. Along the boards. Scandala takes control of the puck.
Line one.
Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Cochero gets shoved. Scores!
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Tampa has the first goal of the game.
And their timing is pretty good. You're always looking for a boost near the end of a period.
Up along the boards. Quick pass up. Ristolainen shoots the puck. It's off the post. Moved up. O'Reilly jumps on the loose puck. Intercepted. Brings it out.
Line four. Line four.
The Lightning dump the puck in. Scooped up by Buffalo. Nolan.
Play in the first period.
Buffalo in control now. Kunitz. Nolan takes possession. The first is now over. Buffalo has had a lot of success in the faceoff circle.
If they keep doing that, they'll get their chances to tie this one up. That That first period was tight.
Hopefully we'll see things open up in the second. Icing is called against Buffalo. Bellier moved ahead. Advances the puck. Blocked. Miller. O'Reilly gives him the business. Out over the blue line. Center. Miller with the puck. Hedman has it now. Over the blue line. Shoved. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Ristolainen gets bumped off the puck. Callahan takes control. Johnson with shot. Tampa picked it up. Hedman gives it up. Griffith. Over the line. Nolan. Ahead to the neutral zone. Brings it in. Move back. He straight arms Stralman. He's with the puck. Hackett. Griffin corrals it. Scandala turned over at the blue line. Moved ahead. Griffin pushes him. Tampa dumps the puck in. Larson. He gets bumped off the puck.
Did you see that, Jim?
Pominville scooped it up. Shoots quickly. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Shoots. Jurgensen misses the net. Shoots it. Dalshin gets the pass from Vasilevsky. Jurgensen takes control of the puck. Kucherov shoves Reinhardt. McCabe gets the loose puck. Into the attacking zone. Advances the puck. Stone cold by Vasilevsky. Moved up. Kilmore shoots. Tampa puts its checking line out. Up through center. Stralman finds the loose puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Tampa. Stralman will go to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
Buffalo has a one-man advantage and they'll want to exploit it.
They expect them to turn their game up a notch.
McDonough with the puck. Fires it. Leonard Larson has put the puck into his own net.
We need to shake this off right away. Get back out there and go on the offensive.
O'Reilly grabbed it. Ristolainen finds it. Kuliov now has it. O'Reilly takes it. Quick shot from the left. Kuliov grabs it. Brings it out. Quick pass up. With a wrist shot, Vasilevsky stones him cold.
Pad save.
Girardi. Out over the blue line. Sergachev gets hold of the puck. Eichel. Scandala takes control of the puck. Dokpalso. Picked up by Tampa. Dokpalso. Kucherov gets it. Stemkos. Out over the blue line. Stemkos gets checked. Ahead to the neutral zone. Larson. Stralman has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Over the line.
Line 3.
Stralman takes the puck. Brings it out. O'Reilly takes possession of the puck. Stralman. Buffalo gets a hold of it. Ristolainen gets checked. Kala gets hold of the puck. Leonard intercepts the pass, brings it out. Dalshin finds the loose puck. Backhanded shot. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Moved ahead. Played up. In the corner. McCabe gets the pass from Leonard. Advances the puck. Quick pass up. Rodriguez grabs the puck. Kucherov dumps it in on the end boards.
That's the end of the second period. See how this one's going to play out after the intermission.
All boxes feature great views, waiter service, and free merchandise.
They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Sabres. And out they come with a puck. Larson pushes. Gord played back. Scandala gets the loose puck. Larson. Grabbed by Tampa. Commonville fires. Buffalo jumps on it. Backhands it. Blocked. Passed ahead. AINHL finds the loose puck. Opalso. Tampa has it. Sergachev. Jumped on by Buffalo. Bogosian corrals it. Tampa takes control. Opalso now with it. Johnson shoulders him. Callahan gets hold of the puck. The Lightning dump it. Scooped up by Buffalo. Jurgensen's Kucherov scooped it up. Icing called against Buffalo. Kunitz takes control of the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. O'Reilly with the puck. In over the line. Shoved.
He let him have it on that one.
Advances the puck. Out over the blue line. Point gets rubbed off the puck. Kunitz shoved.
It looks like they've shown up for this game.
Centered. Passed ahead. Tala grabs the puck. McDonough dumps it. He scooped it up. McDonough, wrist shot. McCabe takes it. Kucherov rubs him out. O'Reilly jumps on the loose puck. Kucherov runs over McCabe. Quick pass up. Passed across. Dolan gets checked. Stemkos gets hold of the puck. In all alone. Right in front. Denied by Leonard. Callahan takes control of the puck. With a wrist shot. McCabe now with it. Off the post. Moved ahead. Johnson crushes McCabe. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Sergachev jumps on the loose puck. Bogosian shoves Tala. Tala grabs the puck. Buffalo puts its scoring line out. AINHL knocks the puck loose. Tampa finds it. Dolan runs over point.
Lined him up that time.
Leonard closes the door. Dalshin. He hasn't faced a huge number of shots.
Jim, but the ones he has faced, he's looked good on.
And that's icing. About to drop the puck. Bogosian with the puck. He gets checked. Kucherov shoots the puck. McDonough takes possession. Miller gets thrashed. Scandala takes control of the puck. Kucherov fires it hard. Oh, he missed. Moved up, passed ahead. Miller. Miller gets hold of the puck. Bogosian. Griffith. Tampa puts its checking line out. Advances the puck. Believ takes the puck. He gets crushed. Stralman jumps on the loose puck. Hackett has it now. The Lightning dump it in. Buffalo grabbed it. Ristolainen gets hit. He jumps on the loose puck. Check.
He really worked the body there.
Third period.
Buffalo dumps the puck in. Tampa scoops it up. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Hackett gets checked. Shoots the puck. Brenner hangs on for the whistle. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Played across. Rodriguez dumps the puck in. Tampa grabs it. Dolan. Rodriguez. Dolan has it. Dolan. Tampa gets a hold of it. They dump it. Point in control now. Shoots it quickly. Girardi corrals it. Cleared away.
Tonight's third star, Tampa Bay number 27, Ryan McDonald. Tonight's second star for Tampa Bay number 77, Victor Hedman.
From Tampa, Florida, I'm Jim Houston.
I'm Craig Simpson, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.